No, what? Now I'm splitting these in two halves. No, don't do that.
Put the whole
Don't.
thing in. Oh. George, look.
George.
Is it good?
And now you know you don't swallow, right?
Just
Is it
keep
good?
in there.
So what do you think, George? It's a good thing you got all those new big teeth. All the better to chew with.
That doesn't have to be. We'll have to search around to find your favorite gum.
Is this your favorite? Well, my first cat was like, yes.
Is it tiring on your jaws, George? It's tiring to chew, isn't it? He took a breath.
Hey, this kind is better than the usual kind.
Well, that's because it's raggedy red.
And you've got 7 years.
A little bit.
Yeah, when you were first chewing gum, Joshy, you didn't like come knowing how to blow a bubble.
Yeah, you just. Well, Josh used to chew. You just be like. And throw it out.
Yeah, you only chewed it for about 3 minutes. So George, whenever you're done, you can just throw it away. You don't have to chew gum forever and ever.
I'm going to chew it till it's out of taste.
Alright, George.
How can you tell?
And you're.
No,
Well,
do the
you'll tell.
little
You'll
one
be able to
first.
tell,
Yeah,
George.
do the little one first, and then up to the biggest. Thank you. And now I have studied
You
that
wanna
one
watch
and
George?
figured out what that one is. Well, I want to see this.
Do you want to watch George?
Hey,
open
Georgie,
his
can you
present?
sit down?
You're gonna love it.
Georgie, would you sit so you can stay still?
Yeah, you can watch your brother.
What do you say, buddy?
Thank you.
What was it, George? I didn't see it. Oh.
Goggles.
Goggles.
Let's try to show you how to do it. They're kind of the same size.